President Kibaki was accompanied by close allies from his PNU wing of the coalition during the meeting that began at 10 a.m. at Harambee House. The president held a meeting for about 2 hours with Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, Deputy Prime Minister Uhuru Kenyatta, PNU Secretary General and Energy Minister Kiraitu Murungi, and Government Chief Whip Johnston Muthama. It was not clear if Parliamentary Oversight Committee Chairman Abdikadir Mohammed, who was at the President's office, attended the meeting. The President's allies left as soon as Prime Minister Raila Odinga arrived. The two principals then carried on with consultations for close to 2 hours, after which the Prime Minister left while senior officials from his office stayed behind. The meeting apparently failed to reach an agreement on the controversial appointments. This quote from a presidential press service statement indicating that they had apparently reached no agreement and left it to the current parliamentary process to sort out the muddle created by their disagreement. As they met, the parliamentary committees tasked with advising the National Assembly commenced their sittings separately. The Parliamentary Committee on Finance, Planning and Trade saying it would open up to the public tomorrow and insisting that the court ruling against the list will not affect their proceedings and that they were open to views from the two principals through their representatives. The Legal Affairs Committee also indicating it will be collecting information from a wide cross-section of Kenyans, including the disbanded Committee of Expert Records, and it will also welcome information from the two principals through their respective offices.
Any records of meetings or interaction between the office of the Prime Minister and the office of the President, any minutes and communication from the Judicial Service Commission and the Commission on Implementation of the Constitution, any opinion received from interest groups including the Law Society of Kenya, the International Commission of Jurists, FIDA Kenya, Transparency International, among others.
We will be inviting the Commission on Implementation of the Commission. We will invite the Law Society of Kenya, the Attorney General, the International Commission of Jurists, the Judicial Service Commission, the churches, the Muslims, to appear before us between now and the end of Wednesday.
The two parliamentary committees will now have to decide the fate of the list forwarded by President Kibaki to Parliament by advising the National Assembly. Whether the two principals can agree before the National Assembly makes its move will remain a matter of speculation. Muraya, Kariuki, KTN Prime.